The dark sky appeared a little brightness. The sun climbs to the east sky, as slow as a snail, and shines its bright, make the world be warm. The face of sea is shining and turned into orange color. What a beautiful sea, the sunrise by the sea. Not bad.
Hey, okay, I'll read this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, very interesting here. The tiny sunrise, like an ant, starts breaking the scary darkness, gradually warming up the world. The face of the sea, sparkling like the galaxy of stars. I can imagine this, it's very nice. The pink dolphins hop out and welcome the shiny day. The figure of couples rolling along the beach. The sunrise by the sea, bringing marvelous hopes for the world. Wow, this really